So for Module 7 content, we're looking at evaluation and dissemination. And this dissemination piece is really important because that's how you're sharing your results. So again, your chapters might be a little skewed if you're looking at version 6 versus the 7th edition. But for this one, we're looking at how we share, how we synthesize that data, what we do with it once we get it. So synthesizing that evidence, and then where we're putting it, how we're getting it out, especially in that systematic type review process. Let's back up one more time. And then making a point for translational research, basic research, driving into clinical research, which is what a lot of us will do, and then how that plays into translational research. And then I like this one because it gives obstacles to successful research publication. So in our Module 7, we've got this content here. How do we complete this research proposal? A meta-analysis primer. Our rubric that goes along with your research proposal, and then your assignment here is to upload that research proposal. So do pay attention to your rubric because that's exactly what I'll be using to grade you from.